Welcome to Dan ARG YouTube. Apostle Alfred Uyinosa, the man wey dey talk am as e be, and his lawyer, dey give us update about the things wey happen for court today between him and Nelson Adeyan. Make I leave you now, make you hear from Apostle Alfred and his lawyer. Enjoy the video.
Good morning, everybody. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, and depending on where you wanna take the connect with us again live today. When I know say each time we come live on air, the first thing we do now to give God all the praise, and not be because say we find pass or because we feel talk pass. Now it make us the see today, but because of God's grace and God's mercy upon our life. When I go to see the background of where we dey, when I go to see fine structures, yes, and that fine structure one that they see so now our own Abimbu governor Obaseki, and I build that structure. And so if you see a way where it be like say we did court, yes, we did court this morning. Why we did court this morning? Now another question where we say person when just they watch this broadcast for the very first time go they ask. We go remember say for 2020 you get one strong matter when happen for Edo State. This strong matter when concern the interest of the Edo people, and that one when we say bring in Governor Obaseki to office. We go remember say this matter when we say everywhere meaning Edo person come out in their own little capacity to ensure say they support the governor, to ensure say he emerge as the governor of Edo State. On that note, some small thing happen for underground when we say we know say our own man Apostle Alfred is stand gidigba to say me when I be man of God, I go ensure say I get one small platform when they call talk am as e be. I go use that platform take stand for the interest of the Edo people. In the process of all that, and I be say when I see that fine video when they back, now he carry us enter court this morning. When we enter court upon the matter when we say one man Nelson Adeyan fight suit against our own man of God Apostle Alfred, but because of say God stand with us and he don't give us his own son, when we say I know say God na God of judgment, and because of that he understand law. God no just they carry the do things. Because of that he come point hand amidst every other distinguished barrister, and when we know for Edo State he can say no, now this man understand humanity, he understand the process, and when we ensure say in this case when we say now for Edo people, and we go stand for this case fully. So with me this morning, when they see for the picture three-bodied able handsome men, by my left I have Deacon Agawa, and our papa when we say he don't they support good governance for ages. And also by my right Unanua, and a man when we say he no get church, and church dey social media. That man when we say he don't decide to say to make Nigeria great, to make Edo State great, I must play my part. And for me do now see say get one man when stand fine man, he wear white and black. And I know say people when they wear white and black when get cross for neck like that, you get one sign for their neck, you get who they be. And so this morning I like to present to us officially Matthew Edarise Esquire. Now him be the Ogbonge lawyer when sit down for this case. Sir, please may we have you this morning, sir.
Thank you. As you are aware, the matter was adjourned to the 12th day of May for definite hearing. But unfortunately, that date coincided with the public holiday declared by the federal government for the Muslim celebration, Eid al-Fitr. So for that reason, we were in court today, being the first working day after the holiday. Ordinarily and traditionally, when the matter falls on the public holiday, coincidentally, it becomes a call-over matter, which means the next available working day becomes the new date. But again, unfortunately, because of the ceremonies associated with the outgoing CG of the state, the judges are engaged and their attention were taken over by that event. So for that reason again, the court could not sit today. So we have taken a date, and the case has presently been adjourned to the 14th day of June for definite.
All right, thank you so very much, sir. I don't know if I'm permitted to also speak in our mother tongue, pidgin language, very much. I don't know if I can communicate with you on that, sir. All right, thank you very much, sir. Now when the case don't dey adjourn, we dey see sign of joy for your face, sir. We would like make you also help us express that joy in words. Say how you see this case, sir.
As a professional in the field of justice administration, as a minister in the Temple of Justice, we are not ethically allowed to pass premeditated judgments on the matter that is before the court for adjudication. So all we can say is that we'll do our level best, present our case as best as we can, and present all the facts as it were, and marry it with the laws. So hopefully we expect to do our best. It is for the judge to do the rest.
Wow, interesting. Thank you so very much, sir. When I know say this time we dey say for Nigeria we get everything. You get why? We get everything. Una hear am when as he talk, so this na Edo pikin when understand the law to the letter. While we try to round up this broadcast this morning, I'd like to hear from Deacon Agawa. And also before we move to Apostle Alfred.
My people, I greet you now. I greet everybody wherever you be right now. As my brother don't talk, the journey still continues. And like we say, our brother when he talk must be. That is his program, Apostle Alfred. We did say to him that this journey not being on, we are always with him. Thank God for his mercy, that what he did for the nation, what we did, we took, because I am representing the diaspora. Please, you be aware that this journey have been fought and won, and it is a success for democracy. It is a success for Edo people. But for one person when don't know good thing, I don't want to mention name, can't say because of the good thing when our brother they do, our son they do, he won't come punish him for. God no go green now. Thank God for our brother, the Matthew Ederese Esquire. He came out and said, as we diaspora see join hands to say, this man, what thing did they drag him here and there for? He go come out, come help him. And the support is rendering is now only God go reward this our brother Esquire.
Amen.
And this same thing he has, we know, because somebody won't get truth from mouth. You say the truth. Somebody know if you use lie, cover truth. And again, one and not forget, this man a man of God. So above everything what human being they do, now God will supersede. So because of this reason, now person like me, no gonna say I come all the way from UK, together with some of our brothers. Today now they don't call me say the day behind. They are coming, but unfortunately they are not going to meet this because of the adjournment of this case. Now victory it will be because waiting we came out for victory already they happen, and this victory will continue to nobody can stop it. Amen. So my advice to was this my friend in the UK, Nelson Adenya. I want you to have a rethink, because this thing we will chase it to the letter. Nothing is going to stop it. No matter what happens, we will support and stand gidigba behind our son. No going back.
All right, thank you so very much, sir. Before we call quits for today, more hear from Apostle Alfred.
Yeah, we thank God for what in they do, because not only one they give life and only one should they take on. We don't fight for the interest and the benefit of Edo people, and this fight continue by the grace of God. God know they lose any battle, and God know they embark on any project and they can't turn back or road. It's not possible. All the same, we thank God. We look forward to on the 14th of June, and we trust God. God will do what He knows how to do best. Thank you for all our brothers in diaspora in Nigeria that have been praying and supporting us, and God will bless all of us. Thank you, my Esquire. We appreciate you all. We move. Thank you.
All right, thank you everybody for tuning on with us again today. When I don't forget, say by 5 p.m. we'll come live for our Bunge program, Chokam, as it be. Thank you.
I beg, help us share this video. If you never subscribe to Dan ARG YouTube, try make you subscribe so that make you for the hear all the things where they happen for Edo State. Make I leave you now with this video, make you help us share them. Thank you for watching Dan ARG YouTube.